Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So yes, y'all, we are reporting live from our weekly spot. We are at CVS and we're about to get into some unadvertised deals. So in this video, I am just going to quickly go through all of the deals that you won't be able to find in your CVS sales ad. So this is not the best deals that you can do at CVS, and this is not a video where I shop. This is simply a video where I show you all of the deals that you might not be able to see if your store doesn't put all of their tags up or if you're just scanning the weekly flyer. Before I get into the unadvertised deals, I also want to remind you guys, always check your emails, your CVS new weekly ad emails, and scroll down to the bottom. And some of the emails from my accounts, I did get this new Dial CRT. So this is $2.50 off of any Dial body wash product, and it does have the soap and the bar soap on here. So I'm thinking that this is probably going to be a freebie or a cheapie after this coupon. So definitely check your email to see if you have this CVS coupon in there. Not all accounts will have it, but definitely scroll down and see. So deal number one that I noticed is on the Allegra D15 to 20 count. So in the ad, it does say that the Pat a Day products are buy one, get three, but it doesn't say that the Allegra D15 to 20 count is included in that promotion, and it is. This was interesting to me because we do have Ibotta rebates and manufacturer coupons for the Allegra D. Now, the 15 to 20 count was a little bit too expensive for me, but I noticed that we have a decent deal on the 10 count if this is a product that you need, especially right now with allergies being crazy. So these are $17.99, and then we do have a $5 Ibotta rebate that does apply, and we also have a $5 manufacturer coupon that does apply. So that's $10 in savings on this product, the one that's not included on the extra buck promotion that makes it only $7.99. And of course, you can use a percentage off coupon on this product as well, so you can bring it down to $3 or $4 depending on what percentage you have. Another deal that was interesting to me because of the Ibotta rebates was this deal on the Burt's Bees. So the Burt's Bees products, this is the lip care, the facial care, and the hand and body lotion, are spend 15, get back 5 this week. We do have $2 Ibotta rebates on the facial care products. So if you're a fan of the Burt's Bees facial care, definitely take advantage of those promotions. I'm not aware of any coupons that we may have. I need to go through my stash, but you can possibly put together a deal, just getting the $5 in extra bucks back and the $2 from Ibotta. And then these products are full price as well, so percentage off coupon should apply. The Joa Cosmetics are spend 12, get 8. So easy way that you could do this deal is you could pick up a product that's only $11.99, and that in itself would prompt the $8 extra buck with the 98% rule, making that product only $4. If you have any of the tear pad coupons that are hanging around some stores for the Joa, or you have a cosmetic CRT, you could turn this deal into a freebie. The raw sugar hair care was in the ad for spend 15, get 5, but I noticed in store that the personal cleansing products were also included in that promotion. If you are a fan of the raw sugar hand soap, I noticed when I searched online, this is pretty expensive, like everywhere, then this is a decent deal. These are spend 15, get $5 in extra bucks this week. So instead of paying like $4.99 a bottle, you can grab them for $3.33 with no coupons needed. Next deal up is on the native hair care products. The facial and the hair care are buy 2, get back 5 this week. Now this was an interesting deal on the hair removal products because I've noticed that they're doing more deals where they're including multi-brands in the extra care promotions. So this is off of any hair removal. So it's like Nads, Sally Hansen, Nair products. All of these items are included. It also included online some brands that I haven't heard of. So if you need some hair removal items, these products are spend 15, get 5. Next deal up is on the Carol's Daughter. So these are buy 2, get back 6 this week. And we do have $3 printable coupons from coupons.com that you can also use on these products. My store was out of the Suave deodorant, but this is a pretty good deal this week. So these are buy two, get back $2 in extra bucks, and they're buy one, get one 50% off. We do have brand new 50-cent coupons in today's inserts. So you could buy two of them, use two of those coupons if they're priced at $2.69 like mine, and then you would pay $3.03 and then get back two, making these about 50 cents each. In the diabetic care section, these products are also on promotion. So it's the Gold Bond Dry Skin Relief and the Aspercream Foot Cream. These products are spend 12, get back 3 this week. The Friska's dietary supplements, these products are buy one, get back a $10 extra buck this week. And then we also have a lot of different CVS brand promotions this week that are not included in the ad. First one I noticed was the CVS allergy eye drops. These are buy one, get back 3. We also have a promotion on the CVS like first aid products. So this is the tapes, the antibiotic ointments, and the creams. These are spend 12, get 3 in case you have any matching CRTs. And then the Total Home household cleaners, which I have been getting a lot of CRTs for. These are spend 15, get 5 this week. The CVS brand acetaminophen is also on a promotion. It is spend 20, get $5 in extra bucks. And I'm not familiar with this brand, but I noticed that these products were on a spend 10, get back 3. So these are the Ella and Mia nail products. Now I want to talk about quickly a few new rebate offers that we have. The first one that I noticed is on the Axe, the Degree Men, and the Dove Men Care. So these are spend 15, and I have $2.75 back on Fetch Rewards on these products. So if you plan on grabbing these products this week that are on a pretty good deal with our new coupons, definitely keep that in mind. I also have this offer on the Dove hand wash, giving back 75 cents on each one of these, and we have a new buy one get one free coupon that should make that a pretty good deal. And then finally, I noticed that we also have a brand new $2 Ibotta rebate on CVS nail treatment. And I did have some CVS coupons that are attaching to this product. So if this is something that you may need, definitely keep this rebate in mind. And then something I am going to be picking up this week that is in the ad and we don't have coupons for is the Pink Stuff Cleaner is also on sale 2 for $5 this week. So if you want to pay for this product with extra bucks instead of buying it at a store like Walmart, definitely keep this sale in mind. So that is it for today's unadvertised deals. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video, especially if you made it to the end. And I really appreciate all of the feedback that you gave me last week for me to keep this video in rotation. So I will definitely do that. I'm about to get ready to go to the store now to film our big haul. So I'm excited to get into this week's deals. So check back in with me a little bit later on this evening and I will have that video up for you guys. I can't tell you how much I appreciate you watching my videos. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you have not already. I would love to have you here. And as always, you guys, I'll talk to you soon. Bye.